Hi guys, today I'm gonna be doing this easy glam makeup look. I won't say that it's ultra affordable, but I try to keep the product in that drugstore affordable range. Not all the products will be affordable obviously, but I try to maintain that bar. And also I have shared some tips and tricks in this video to save up some amount of money. And one quick little tip in the starting, that if you want to save up your money and also you don't want to invest a lot of money, then try to invest in your base. You don't have to purchase luxury eyeshadow palette or like lip products. You can definitely skip those, but try to purchase good, at least product from a good well-known brand. Not necessarily it has to be luxury product, but within that affordable range also you can target those well-known brand and you can buy base product from them. So enough of blabbering and we will start the makeup look. So let's get started. So I already used moisturizer and prepped my skin for makeup, and we will be using primer now. Okay, so if you want to save some money, then use a setting spray which will work as a primer as well. And today I'll be using this M.A.C Prime Fix Plus. This one is not affordable, I know, but I don't own any setting spray which will work as a primer as well. But you can get affordable setting spray like you will get from the brand NYX, Wet n Wild. They have good setting spray which works as a primer as well. Now I'm gonna quickly spray it on my skin and my skin will be ready for foundation. Today I'll be using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. A lot of Indians own this foundation already, so better to use this in this tutorial. The only problem, I don't like this packaging, otherwise it's a good foundation. I'll be using my YBP sponge. It's a little runny, but that's okay. I'll start from the center of my face where you need most of the coverage. Always better to do this dabbing motion if you're using a beauty sponge, and take your time to dab it. I went with little heavy handed because it will be a glam makeup look. Next we'll be using the Maybelline concealer. This is the Fit Me concealer. This is little lighter than my skin color, so that's why I use the foundation around my eye area as well. And now I will brighten up these areas. First I'll blend the outside areas and then I'll go for the under eye area. What it will allow the concealer to sit and give the best coverage as well. Here also I won't swipe, I'll just push the product, I'll dab it, but go light-handed under your eye area because of the skin texture, and I'm using the same beauty sponge only. Next for contouring, I'll be using this LA Girl Pro Conceal. I'm in the shade Beautiful Bronze. They have great shade range, so you can definitely pick up your nearest skin shade. The product is great, but don't like the packaging, especially this tip. Not a big fan of this sort of application. Using the same beauty sponge. Here also I will almost dab and push the product upward. So it will give you a natural contour. Don't drag it down. Better to always push it up. For nose contouring, you can use brush as well, and also your finger works well. Like I always use the finger at the end to kind of push the product inside. There's a slight problem with this concealer. You just have to work really fast. Now I'll set my face with this Makeup Revolution Banana powder. Lot of people like this product, and same for me. I also really kind of loved it. Though I used, like, if you are measuring here, you might be thinking I used very little amount, but actually not. You need very tiny amount to set your face. Yeah, if you are baking, then might be a little bit more, but otherwise you need very tiny amount, and it's a very good product. So I'll set around my eye area and also my face. I'll dust off this under eye area once I complete my eye makeup. Next, for brows, I'll be using this Nykaa Brow Chika Wow Eyebrow Pencil. It's very smooth, good product to use. What I do, I just draw a line like this, and then just kind of fill these far areas. You guys know I don't like heavy eyebrows, so yeah. Now for eyeshadow, I'll be using this Maybelline Nude eyeshadow palette. Lot of people already have this, and that is one of the reason I'm using this. First, I'll be using this matte shade. Next, I'll be using this brown shade. I'm using the outer part of the lid and then just dragging it towards the inner part. I think key of this eye look is to blend everything nicely. Next, I'll be taking this golden shade in a flat brush. Before that, I'll be using a Fix Plus. I'll use this shade mostly in the center of my lid. It will help to catch the light because I have almost hooded eye. So when I see straight like this, can you see half of my eyelid went inside? So yeah. Next I'll take the same blending brush and I'll blend the edges, and I'll take this shade to highlight the inner corner. No cut crease, very simple eye look. Next I'll be using this mascara. This is the L'Oreal, I forgot the name. Okay, False Lash Superstar Mascara. First I'll use this primer, or what you say. I think it's called primer only. Yeah. I love my Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. This one, I'm not too sure. I recently purchased it, so too soon to say anything about this product. But overall, it's a good mascara. I'll allow it to dry for some time and then I'll go with the black coat. For this eye look, today I'm not wearing any false eyelashes, but you can totally go ahead and add it. But for me, today I'm not doing it. Also, you can skip the eyeshadow part and wear a heavy eyelashes. I think it will be good to go with that. It totally depends how you wanna glam up yourself. Next, I'll dust off the excess powder. I don't know why I make these weird faces, like without that also I can do it. Next trick actually lot of people knows already, and I'll be using this Lakme 925 lip and cheek mousse or mousse, what you call it, not sure, whatever. Lakme 925 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek Color. I will apply this as a blush. All these tricks to save you money, at the same time get a glam look. So you can directly apply dot blend, or you can apply first on the back of your hand and then mix it, whatever. I think for me it will work like this, no problem. I'll use my beauty blender. Is it dried out? I don't know. Don't go too heavy-handed, otherwise you will get a clown check. Next, I'll be using this shadow from the same eyeshadow palette which we have used today, and I'll be using this as a highlighter. This tip is also to save your money. I'm using this type of brush because it's easy to grab the product. Next, I'll be using this same Lakme 925 lip mousse and my lips. And the last thing is this setting spray. You have to use a setting spray, but make a good distance like this. And we are done with this makeup look. I hope you liked it. Share your thoughts on this makeup look in the comment section below, and let me know what type of video you guys want to watch. If you have any video ideas, then do share in the comment section below. You can DM me, you can write it in the Instagram comment section, anywhere. Totally up to you. And don't forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't. Please like this video if you like this easy yet glam makeup look. You can wear this look with red or like orangish red lipper as well. I kind of kept it little nude, but still yet glam, like it's not a everyday sort of look. So that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.